Confession of a Cheater. The 3 types of men prone to affairs. A pregnant woman. Xiaomei visited my counseling office recently. She was elegant and soft-spoken, but her marriage was on the brink due to her husband's repeated infidelity. Despite reflecting on her role, Xiaomei was emotionally drained and considering divorce. Her husband insisted he loved her and their family, but couldn't explain his actions. Why do men cheat? Here are 3 types of men who are most prone to infidelity. 1. Men with low self-esteem. Xiao Feng's marriage to Xiaomen struggled after the child was born. Busy with work and child care, Xiaomen was often too tired to maintain intimacy, leaving Xiao Feng feeling rejected. Despite trying to create alone time, Xiaomen's repeated dismissals left Xiao Feng hurt and ashamed. Unable to voice his needs, he sought intimacy elsewhere. Men like Xiao Feng link intimacy to self-worth. When consistently rejected, they feel inadequate and look for validation outside the marriage. A lack of physical connection lowers emotional intimacy, leading to feelings of loneliness and vulnerability. 2. Men with a need for conquest. Some men enjoy pursuing women more than maintaining relationships. Once their partner is emotionally invested, they lose interest and seek new conquests. This often stems from unresolved childhood issues, such as competing with a strong father figure, or from feeling emasculated in a marriage with an overly dominant wife. Such men may oscillate between their wife and others, craving stability, but also desiring control and freedom. For instance, Bill Clinton's affair with Monica Lewinsky reflected his need to regain a sense of masculinity outside his strong, career-driven marriage to Hillary. 3. Men facing midlife crisis. Middle-aged men often face declining vitality, career stress, and family pressures. The monotony of long-term marriage can lead them to seek younger partners to feel youthful and invigorated. Some pursue passionate relationships later in life to compensate for unfulfilled youthful experiences. However, these often fail when the younger partner matures and realizes the dynamic doesn't align with their needs. Conclusion: infidelity often stems from personal insecurities or unmet needs rather than love or lust. Addressing these issues through open communication and vulnerability can help couples rebuild trust and strengthen their bond. While cracks may remain, relationships can become more resilient